Karen makes it easy. Looks easy with her. The progress you can make. The first videos I saw, I was thinking I will never do a face. I never could make a face without tracing because you're starting from the line, the straight line or the centangle classes. They are easy and fun, and then you have the lessons. Everyone is in different steps, so and through the time you can see all the progress we make. I love her project for the materials because I love faces too. Most of all because she makes things sound fun, fun and easy. All the hands, for example, was making with 2 pencils, a LHB and 8B. I use it what I have. I feel happy when I make this. I go step by step as the videos show me how to do it. When I see her videos, I think I can do it. And then I want to try.